Here is how to add a second user to Wave Accounting, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Wave account with your usual login details. Once you are inside the account, look to the top right corner of the screen where your business name appears. Click the business name to open the account menu, then choose Settings from that menu. This will take you to the area where account and business options are managed. On the Settings page, look for the section labeled User Management. Inside that section, click Users. This opens the user access area for your Wave account, where you can review who already has access and add someone new if needed. Make sure you are in the correct business profile before continuing, especially if your account includes more than one business. When the Users page is open, click Invite a User. This starts the invitation form for the additional person you want to add to the account. You will then be asked to choose two details about that person: their position and their role. Select the position that best matches how they relate to the business, and then select the role that matches the level of access they should have inside Wave. After you choose the position and role, enter the person's first name, last name, and email address in the fields provided. Use the email address they will actually use to sign in, since the invitation will be sent there. Before sending the invitation, take a moment to review the permissions attached to the role you selected. This is the point where you confirm that the user will only have the access you intend to give them. If the role permissions look correct and the contact details are entered properly, click Invite User. Wave will send an invitation email to that person using the address you entered. At this stage, the new user is not active yet. Their access depends on accepting the invitation from the email message. The final step happens in the invited user's inbox. Ask that person to open the invitation email from Wave and accept the invitation. Once they do that, they will be able to access your Wave account according to the role and permissions you assigned. If they do not see the message right away, have them check their spam or junk folder and confirm that the email address was entered correctly in the invitation form. After the invitation is accepted, you can return to the User section in Wave to verify that the second user now appears in the list with the assigned role. Your second user has now been invited to Wave Accounting and can access the account after accepting the email invitation.